Witness the incredible transformation of a rock into a perfect sphere. This time-lapse video showcases the power and precision of controlled blasting. Day one of this ambitious project reveals the explosive process in action, with carefully placed charges shaping the raw material. Delmer Lozano's expertise is on full display as he skillfully guides the demolition, creating a visually stunning spectacle of controlled chaos. Follow along as this seemingly impossible feat unfolds, demonstrating the artistry and engineering behind this unique project. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.